Hey guys, just gonna quickly show you my solar panel setup for my in-ground pool. So yeah, I made two of them, you can see here. A closer look, I used weather stripping all the way around to hold in the heat. Right now it's in the upper 80s and it's about 150 degrees inside and climbing. I used actual rubber hose because it was a lot easier to deal with than some of the other hoses out there. A little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. More durable. Just gonna make sure your connections are good and tight. And instead of using zip ties, I just put some 2x2s all the way down to hold the hose in place, as you can see. I used roofing screws, which has little rubber washers on there so it wouldn't crack the plexiglass, and it wouldn't let any moisture out or anything like that. So you can see I have two of them. And the water gets fed into here, goes all the way around, goes out through here, comes around, goes back, and this one gets even hotter. And then I buried them underground with some insulation. It has a distance to travel, but you can see buried it all under here, all the way up here. This is where everything is. As you can see here, water comes in from the skimmer, goes through here, goes to the pump, goes to the filter as usual. This right here is my old electric heater, which does not work anymore. So water gets diverted back here. Used to go into it right here, but diverted to here. Check valve there. It's a 3-way diverter, so the water goes through here. You can see the insulation I buried underground. Goes out to the panels, comes back through here. Another check valve right here, another T, and it goes back in the pool. What I did right here though, I have it on a 45-degree because the pressure was way too high and the pump was working too hard. So I put it at a 45-degree so some will go back straight into the pool, some will go through the solar panels. And right here is just the ball valve. So I can measure the temperature, and it's about 90 degrees right now after going through the panels and this whole distance. So yeah, paired with the solar panels, I also have a solar blanket, which helps retain the heat. The pool only gets about 3 hours of direct sunlight, so any warmth I get in here, I kind of want to keep in here. So yeah, just let me know if you have any questions.